How to watch NBA League Pass on Smart TV. So if you want to watch NBA League Pass on your smart TV, or if you want to set it up, then here's the video. First, you need to ensure that your smart TV has a stable internet connection. Check if the NBA League Pass app is available in your TV's app store. The second step is to open your smart TV's app store, search for the NBA League Pass app, and install it. If it's not available, use a streaming device like Chromecast or Apple TV. The third step is to open the app and log in with your NBA League Pass account. If you don't have one, then you can sign up on the NBA website. Once logged in, browse live games, replays, and highlights. Enjoy the action on the big screen. The fifth step is if the app isn't available on your TV, then you can use a streaming device. You can download the app on your phone or computer and cast it to your TV. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.